Hello guys, welcome to another video of tech. So on today's topic we'll be talking about Android Go. So now we all know that all smartphones that we use apart from iPhones uses Android. Android is a major competitor against iOS. So we'll be looking at a part of Android called Android Go. First of all, what is Android Go? Android Go is a lighter version of the Android OS, that is the operating system, designed for low-end and ultra-budget phones. Here in Africa, it deals with the lower tiers of Tecno, Infinix, and Itel, and some versions of Samsung very low-end phone. It was created to bring the power of Android to everyone. Android Go is optimized for smartphones with lower performing processors, smaller amounts of memory, and less available mobile data, which is quite prominent here in Nigeria. I think phones about 30,000 naira downwards majorly have this Android Go because they are usually stuck with from 2 gig of RAM less. Now, range of phones that can use Android Go. Android Go is intended for smartphones between 512 MB and 2 gig of RAM. I think the prominent phones of the Transsion company that goes with Android Go is the Itel. Itel has many phones that stacks up this Android Go. Sometimes you can look like at the Tecnos, their Sparks. I think their first two Spark series also has Android Go. So now, when was Android Go launched? This is a particular question. Now, it was launched in 2017 and it resembles stock Android 8 Oreo. Now, Android Go is designed for low tier phones. That is what we have come to now our understanding, and due to the nature of developing countries and them not having enough equipment and enough access to the internet, like there are certain values of the world that are not accessing the internet, and the smartphone providers for those areas, they usually do phones of very low quality compared to the ones that are high end. So to optimize for these low end devices, Android Go is brought so that it can particularly be embedded into the OS of those phones. Now, features of Android Go. Now, Android Go consumes lesser space than regular apps. Now, if you can see your stock up file, should I say Maps Go, it uses less space than your regular Android maps. Then we also have Gmail Go. Your normal Gmail Go is quite different from your normal Gmail, and even when you go to the Google Play Store, you will see certain apps. You will see lighter version of apps. You will see TikTok Lite, you will see Facebook Lite, and the lighter versions of app. Those lighter versions are fit for these Android Go phones because they are created with the intention to use lesser space. Now we'll go to the pros and the cons of Android Go. So now the first thing we'll deal with is the pros. Now the first pro is that the apps in Android Go, they launch faster. Everything feels smoother because they use and they consume less space. Now the other pro is that it reduces battery drain. Now there have been certain modification that is embedded in the Android Go that makes it use certain makes it reduce the amount of battery drain that is done. Now sharing of apps becomes much easier. Then Android Go edition requires low-end hardware, making smartphones with OS cheaper. These are the pros of the Android Go. Now, what are the cons? The cons of the Android Go. Number one, scrolling is slower than normal Android. A 1 gig RAM phone will be so slow compared to a 4 gig RAM phone. Then another cons, it does not support split screen. This is a feature of those phones of higher RAM. Then another cons is that some features may be missing from the Android Go apps than regular apps. Yes, due to their reduced and their optimized version of those apps. Those apps, they are not quite compared to those regular apps. Then some apps, some pre-installed Android Go apps. Now you will see your Google Go, you will see your Assistant Go, you will see your YouTube Go. I think YouTube Go is going away. Then we have Google Maps Go. Then we have your Gmail Go and Files Go and Google Play Store. This is the Android Go edition video. Thanks.